Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Wix website responsive. Wix offers powerful tools to ensure your site looks great on any device, from desktops to smartphones. We'll cover how to use the mobile editor effectively, adjust elements for different screen sizes, and ensure your content is always accessible and visually appealing. Let's dive in and make your website truly adaptable. The Wix mobile editor is your key to responsiveness. It allows you to customize your site's appearance specifically for mobile devices without affecting your desktop version. You can easily rearrange sections, hide elements that aren't necessary on smaller screens, and fine-tune text and image sizes to ensure everything is clear and easy to navigate for your mobile visitors. Optimizing your content and layout is crucial for a great mobile experience. Think about what your mobile users need most and bring that to the forefront. Simplify your navigation to a clear, concise menu, perhaps using a hamburger icon. Also, make sure all interactive elements, like buttons and links, are large enough for easy tapping, typically at least 48 pixels by 48 pixels. After making your adjustments, thorough testing is essential. Use Wix's preview mode to see how your site looks on different screen sizes. Even better, test it on actual mobile phones and tablets to catch any real-world issues. Regularly reviewing your responsive settings ensures your site remains optimized as you add new content or make design changes, providing a consistent user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.